Hi, this is Zahid here, and now we have to prove without expansion that these two determinants can be equal. So for that, let us take the left hand side first. We have left hand side here. Now in the first step, we will have to multiply R1 by L, R2 by M, and R3 by N. We have to multiply R1 by M by L, R2 by M, and R3 by N. And since we know that we cannot just multiply a determinant with a constant number, we will also have to divide that constant by the determinant. So we will divide L, M, and N by the determinant, and now we have to multiply R1 by L. So multiplying R1 by L, we will get LMN, L square, and L cube. Now we have to multiply R2 by M. So multiplying R2 by M, we will get LMN, M square, and M cube. Similarly, multiplying R3 by N, we will get LMN, N square, and N cube. Now, taking L, M, and N common from column 1, so we will have here 1, 1, and 1, and L square, L cube, M square, M cube, N square, and N cube as it is. So these terms will cancel out, and the remaining is our right hand side. This remaining term is our right hand side.